bafowethu give on man.
Amapaka fans iso.
Amapaka
for life.
Yeah. So le reng ka game.
It was an intense game. But we all know how Sundowns plays, you know.
Yes.
Sundowns keep the ball, they keep going.
Yes.
You know, they didn't take their chances.
Yeah.
Staley's got an equalizer in the 82nd minute
Yes.
to make it 1-1,
Yeah.
to give us hope to win the league.
To win the league.
Yeah.
Yes.
The league is not over. We go till the dying minute.
You sound like a Buccaneer.
Of
Yeah,
course.
well,
I'm a Paga fans.
today's game was good, but that referee, referee some shy.
Ukala man.
Some shy. I'm a foul learn. Aye, Baba.
Offside.
No, that was a goal.
Yeah.
That is know how Sundowns is. You know, if they didn't disallow that goal, we're gonna get problems.
Yes. Oh, they're going to kick the coach.
No.
They're going to pour cold water on the coach.
You know.
Yes.
I'm Marapaga for life.
Yeah.
She's a winner.
Yeah.
Yes.
League in Nigeria.
We meet Chiefs Sunday.
Yes.
We punish. We come here 6th of May. Punish Sundowns to win the title. All the way.
But Minama Buccaneer are not fair.
Wow.
How do you beat Chiefs on Sunday and then now you want them to beat Sundowns?
No. Yeah, that must happen. And that is going to happen.
Yeah.
Even if it's a draw, we take a draw away.
Yeah.
We don't want a loss from Chiefs. We ask Chiefs that they come here, they do their job,
Yes.
get a point for us, or even 3 points.
Yes.
We'll appreciate it.
Okay. No.
Thank you.
No, thank you, brother.
Thank you. Sure.
You forgot to tell me something.
Yes.
Who is your man of the match?
Man of the match, we have to give it to Mudibi. He played a good game.
Yes.
So we can't be greedy with that one.
Yes.
Good game.
Bafana is number 3.
I know.
Yeah.
All the way.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bafana.